Welcome to 30 Day Reviews. Today we are taking a look inside of the Spartacus safety raising kit that Naked Armor sent me. Now we are only going to be reviewing one of the 3 items that is in it, so let's get right into it. Today we are taking a look at the safety razor. Now, like all of my reviews, I've used this for actually over 30 days now, and I want to tell you guys what it's made of and that kind of stuff before I get into my thoughts on it. The safety razor has a nice Brazilian sandalwood handle. It's got a nice hefty weight of 3 ounces, which I think a lot of that can be contributed to both the chrome tip and the chrome end cap. That really helps it have a really nice comfortable balance and is just at that right weight where you don't feel like you need to be pushing on the razor to get a good shave. And of course, it's got the pretty standard chrome safety razor head on it. Now, my experience using this razor was a good one. I really like the way that the sandalwood handle feels. They've got a nice curve on it, so it fits in the hand nicely. It's fairly well balanced, and it really has a nice weight to it. And that weight is very nice because it requires almost zero pressure when you are shaving to get a nice close shave. Now, I did notice that it can be a little bit picky on the angle, but then again, it seems to me like all safety razors like this have their own kind of preferred angle, so it does take a little adjusting to get used to that and making sure that, you're keeping the right angle all the way through your strokes. But if you're used to shaving with razors like this, it's no big deal at all. Now, as far as aggressiveness for this razor, I found that it is probably about a medium. I did compare it to a couple of my other razors, and it seems like it's right in the center from aggressive to not aggressive. So I do think that this would actually be a pretty good razor to start out with if you're looking at getting into the double edge shaving game. Now, is the razor worth your money? Well, honestly, I can't tell you that because I haven't reviewed all of the products yet. And as far as I can tell, you can only get the razor in this shave kit. So the best thing for you to do is to really hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss the review of the shave brush and the shave soap that I'll be doing in the near future. However, if you are wondering how much the shave kit is, check out the link in the description. Although I can't tell you quite yet if I think that the razor is worth it or not, make sure to check out my playlist to the right that I have plenty of other razors that I do let you know the price on, what I thought of them, and if they were worth your money. Down below that is a video that you'll probably enjoy as well. Until next time, you have a good one.